Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Ansari and in this video we are going to do a exploratory data analysis of terrorism, and the dataset is available on Kaggle and the link of dataset will be provided in description. So let's start. In this dashboard we can see every country is allotted a small circle, and the size of circle depends on the number of successful attacks. So here we can clearly see maximum successful attack is on Iraq, then Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then on India. So these four countries are the most terrorism affected countries globally. So here again blue color shows the total attack on a country and red color is for successful attack. So country wise Iraq is number one, then Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then India, and region is shown by bubble plot, and the size of bubble represents the total attack on a particular region. So Middle East and North Africa and South Asia, these two regions are the most terrorism affected regions. Now see rise and fall of terrorism over the year. So on y-axis we have plotted year from 2000 year 1970 to 2017, and this red line shows the total successful attacks and blue line shows the attacks which were not successful. So here we can see from year 2007, from 2011, the terrorism attack has been increased suddenly and up to year 2014, and from 2014 to 2017 there is a gradual decline in successful attacks. Now let's see weapons used over the year. So this upper region, upper area shows the explosive as a weapon, and this area shows firearm used in a terrorism attacks. So here we can see from the year 2007, the use of explosive has been increased as compared to firearm. These are the Indian states, and y-axis we have plotted total distinct count of terrorist attacks. So here we can clearly see Jammu and Kashmir has maximum number of attacks of almost equals to 2400, and this color shows target type. So here we can see 682 attacks were on police and 410 on military, and on government 364 attacks were there. So here we can see Jammu and Kashmir is the most terrorism affected state in India. These are the target type. Uh, Maximum, the largest target are private citizen and property, then military, then police, then government, business, transport. And this color section shows subtype. So here we can see in police, we can see police officers, then police patrol, police checkpoint. So this color shows the sub target, and on y-axis we have plotted target. Now see terrorist organization globally. So here we can see Taliban is the world biggest terrorism organization. Then on second number is Islamic State of Iraq and Levant. Then on third number Shining Path. And this color shows the country in which these organizations are working. So here we can see Taliban is active in Afghanistan, then Islamic State of Iraq and Lebanon is active in Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Russia, Turkey, and Shining Path is active in Peru. So these are the organizations globally, and Taliban is the world biggest organization. Now let's see the biggest terrorist organization in India. So here we can see the biggest terrorism organization in India is Communist Party of India, Maoist, and Maoist on second number. Then on third number is Sikh extremist, then Hizbul Mujahideen, Lashkar-e-Taiba, National Democratic Front of Bodoland. So these are the terrorist organizations which are active and the biggest organizations in India. Now see state-wise. In Jammu Kashmir, the biggest organization is Lashkar-e-Taiba, then Hizbul Mujahideen, then Muslim separatist, and in Chhattisgarh, Maoist, then Communist Party of India Maoist, then in Assam, United Liberation Front of Assam, National Democratic Front of Bodoland, Bodo militants. So these are the terrorist organizations state-wise. Now see the success rate. 88.96% of the total attacks are successful and 11.04% of total attacks are not successful. And let's see weapon wise. So the chances of success is very low if the terrorist is using radiological weapon or biological weapon and fake weapon. So here is an interesting point that the success rate is 54.55% even when they are using fake weapon. Now see the weapon type used. So here we can see explosives and firearms are the most used weapon in all the terrorist activities. And suicide rate, only 3.65% of the total attacks are suicidal attacks. So here is a summary of all the slides which we have covered till now. So let's have a quick look at this. So Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India are the most terrorism affected country, and region wise Middle East, North Africa and South Africa are the most affected. From 2007, 11 to 14, there is a sudden rise in terror attacks, and then fall from 2014 to 2011. And from 2007, the use of explosives have become more than the firearms. And in India, Jammu and Kashmir is the most terrorism affected state. Maximum terror attacks are on private citizens and property, military and police respectively. Taliban is the world's biggest terrorism organization and it is active in Afghanistan. And India's biggest terrorism organization are CPI, Maoist Sikh extremist, uh, United Liberation, Hizbul Mujahideen, and in Jammu and Kashmir, Hizbul Mujahideen and Lashkar-e-Taiba are the biggest organizations. Maximum used weapons are explosives and firearms, and 88.96% of terrorist attacks get successful globally. Success rate of terror attacks are low in biological, radiological, biological, and fake weapons. And for fake weapons, the success rate is 54.55%. And suicide attacks are only 3.65% of total attacks. So here we complete our exploratory data analysis. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel.